In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to order AT&T Dynamic Defense and customize the security policies for your business. Start by logging into Business Center. From here, you can immediately select My Network Inventory. Your network inventory appears. Find the location you're looking for. Need help finding the location? Just use the Search By option. For example, you may want to search by the circuit ID. Next, expand the location and AT&T Dedicated Internet. Then from the Actions menu, select Create Order. Expand Dynamic Defense, and you'll see the available packages. Let's select Premium. You'll be prompted to review your order. Make sure contact information is correct for communications in regards to your Dynamic Defense order. Read and accept the authorization and select Schedule Order. Then choose an installation date and submit the order. An order confirmation appears. You'll receive an email when the Dynamic Defense order is complete. To access your Dynamic Defense product, click the Portals tab in Business Center. Now you're ready to customize the security policies. You'll see three choices: the Quick Start option for foundational coverage, the Smart Protection option, which is automated and personalized, and finally, the Custom Protection option, a policy set up your way. And that's it. For onboarding and portal demo videos, along with step-by-step help, check Business Center. Thanks for watching. For more videos from AT&T Business, click subscribe.